Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. So if you're new, hit that subscribe button. If you're not familiar with ThreadBeast, they have a bunch of different options for different levels of based on how much money you want to spend. From low end to the higher end, which is the baller box, which you have to custom order. You cannot order just off their website apparently. Usually always comes with one of those ThreadBeast stickers. This is my 8th referral box, even though I've given them probably over 30 referrals now. That tells you anything about how their referral program is. I am at least still getting some stuff, so I can't complain too much. However, I can complain is the fact that there's a lot of referrals that they said invalid after I already got the email telling me that they'd send me stuff. But that said, this is some stylish socks, I guess. Even though I told them I don't wear muscle shirts, they got me a muscle shirt anyway. So I guess I need to start going to the gym and working out. By the way, this is by Tavik Signature Fit. Then some, I'm assuming these are swim trunks. And mind you, they know I am a medium. They know this is the Beach Rays, the new Beach Wave. So this is like, to me, just all the crap that they just try to get rid of, because I am a medium. This is a large. There's no way I'm going to fit in this. That is too big, even with the drawstring, because the drawstring is not that much. But these are definitely swim trunks for summer. But again, they're too big, I won't be able to wear them, but that's cool. That's everything that's in this box. Supposedly a $50 value is what these referral boxes are. So what, $25 or $20 and what, $10 and like 25, like this is not $50 worth of clothing. But you know, this is like maybe 20 worth of clothing. But you tell me, how much do you think this is really worth? Yeah, but that's their referral program, that they really are just crap. So, but thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out whatever YouTube recommends to you. I do have a bunch of unboxings. This is, like I said, my 8th referral box from them, and you can see how they've slowly just gotten worse. Is they just don't want to lose the money, and it's just crap. But thanks for watching, and bye.